Hello, everyone. We're here for the daily safe check. Safety check just means more waiting. I want to work.
Okay, team. Today's lesson is about safety cones. Cones are like a warning. Be careful. Don't come here.
Cones are just in the way. They slow us down.
Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner.
Stay safe, Bruner. Don't lift anything too heavy. Patrol, safety. Now we can finally get some real work done, and fast! Oh, come on. The path I need is right on the other side. Going all the way around will take forever.
See? It looks fine to me. Just a little sticky. It's not that wet.
There. There! Path is clear. Come on, Micky. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me. Ooh, a shortcut. Micky loves shortcuts. Right behind you, Bruner.
Whoa! I'm stuck! I can't stop! It's so sticky! Help me, Bruner!
I can't reach you. It's too sticky. Oh no, the cones. Jin and Poli were right. This is all my fault.
Jin! Robocar Poli Rescue Team! Help! Micky is stuck!
Oh no, we're on our way, Bruner. Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue. I moved them. I thought it was a shortcut. He's in deep, Poli. Right in the middle. Ah, devil.
Jin, I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no! The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing. It is turning into a solid.
Gotcha, Micky. Hold on tight. He's not budging. Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too!
This isn't just a pulling problem. Roy has no traction.
Traction! That's the grip your tires need. The mud is too soft and slippery.
I know. The site had heavy-duty steel traction pads. I saw them by the entrance.
Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready for her.
Okay, Bruner, perfect. I've got it.
Coming in, Roy. Get ready. Perfect, Helly. Oh.
Activating. Stabilizer jacks. It's all about SU port. The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out so he won't sink.
Okay, Micky. This is it. Mega winch. P-U-L. Oh.
I'm moving. I'm moving.
He's free.
You did it, Roy. You're safe, Micky, but you're gonna need a really big wash. Jin, Poli, I'm sorry. I moved the cones! I just made a big, dangerous mess. Safety rules, like cones, aren't there to slow you down. They protect you and your friends.
Remember, everyone, always follow the safety signs.
Wait, everyone! What's that sound? His backup alarm is broken! He can't see the wall! I've got it! Roy can't hold it forever! We have to secure the wall!
No, Bruner! Stop! You're making it worse!
The wall has lost its structural integrity. We need to support it from the outside. Engineering! We need to build buttresses to keep it from falling.
Those beams! I can push them into place! I'll do it right this time! A little to the left, Bruner! Perfect! Perfect! Now push it against the base!
It's in place! Our place! Our proud! It's stable! Great job, Bruner! Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed right away. It is an important safety sound. I learned my lesson. Always respect the safety cones.
Another successful rescue for the Robocar Poli Rescue Team!
Micky, slow-mo down! Bye-bye! Thanks for saving me!
Don't worry, Micky. I know exactly how to get you out. Thanks for helping us. Be safe out there. Always check your vehicle's safety sounds before you start work.
Safety cones are your friends. Never, ever move them. If you see a friend in trouble, call for help right away. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Look for dangers. See you next time, heroes. Isso.
Okay, Micky, grab on. Don't worry, Roy. I'll make a lever. Ooh. Maybe we should use the winch.
Good idea, Bruner.
Thanks, Bruner. Okay, Micky, pull. Viscosity is what makes concrete sticky and thick. It hardens fast.
Traction is the grip wheels need. We used pads for support. Engineering uses buttresses to support walls and keep them from falling. Never play on a construction site. Always obey the safety signs. Wait! It tickles! Safety first. was a busy day. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm glad Micky is okay. That concrete was hardening fast. That is why we always follow the rules, every time.
Okay, Poli.
Oh, be safe out there!
Whoa.